Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the some different preparation of alkane. So we take here the question that is called as the point number what we take the point number second here, the preparation of alkane, that is called as the name of the second point is called what here, the from alkyl halide. So how to prepare what here, the alkane from the alkyl halide, from the alkyl halides. You know what is alkyl group, means R is called as the alkyl and X called as halide. That's what the general formula of the alkyl halide is Rx. R stands for alkyl group, means all member of alkyl, means was methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, all member of alkyl. Here X indicates halide. Halide have the four types. The halogen means X is called halogen halide, which is the four types. First fluorine, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. All these atom is electronegative in nature. Clear beta? So from the alkyl halide, how to prepare the alkane? Okay beta? So when the alkyl halide on the reaction with what, nascent hydrogen in presence of what, zinc and hydrogen hydrochloric acid, it form the what, the alkane. This reaction is called as preparation of a alkane from alkyl halide. Now how the reaction take place? So now we take the reaction. So when the alkyl halide means what here? So we take the R single bond X on a reaction with what here? Hydrogen. So we take the two hydrogen. This hydrogen with nature is what here? Nascent. One take what nascent means single hydrogen called as nascent. Similarly oxygen, if single is oxygen called as nascent oxygen. सिंगल हाइड्रोजन अगर है बेटा ब्रैकेट में से क्या बोलते हैं, नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन, क्या बोलते हैं, नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन. ठीक है. सो दिस रिएक्शन टेक प्लेस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ जिंक एंड HCl मीन्स हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. व्हाट वी गेट? सो इन दिस रिएक्शन we get here the alkane. How this reaction take place? So 1H are shifted to R and this X are shifted to this 1H. So what we get? We get R single bond H plus what here? The HX. This RH called as what here beta? Alkane. It is RS called as what here beta? It is RX called as the alkyl halide. So from the alkyl halide we prepared alkane. Now this R is replaced. R is a member of R is alkyl. Alkyl is a member what? Methyl, CH3 ethyl, C2H5. So this R replaced by CH3 means methyl. Member of alkyl called as the methyl. This X has how many member? 4 member. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So this X is replaced by what here? Last member of the X called as what here? I. So when the it is CH3 is called what here beta? Methyl. So methyl and I called as the iodide. So when the methyl iodide on react with what here? Same two hydrogen called as what? Name is called as what here? Nascent hydrogen in presence of what? Similarly what? The zinc and what? HCl. It is called as what? Zinc HCl is also called as what? Zinc HCl is also called as what here beta? Locus reagent. याद रखना है बेटा, ये CET में क्वेश्चन आता है. What is the formula? Which is the formula of locus reagent? So zinc HCl is called as a locus reagent. Clear? So what we get? Similarly, this I replaced by 1H. So what we get beta? Same CH3 single bond H plus what? Plus HI. This CH3 plus H अगर ऐड किया तो क्या बनेगा इसका बेटा? This CH3 plus 1H what we get here? CH4. CH4 called as what? Member of alkane. First member of alkane called what here? Methane. Methane called alkane. So prepared what? The from the methyl iodide prepared what here? The alkane called as a methane. क्लियर बेटा? इस तरीके से बेटा क्वेश्चन क्या था? प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्केन फ्रॉम alkyl halide. We take the RX. This R replaced by the any group of what? Alkyl, methyl. Here X replaced by the iodine. They get structure. Now complete this reaction. C2H5 is also the member of the what here? The alkyl, ethyl. इसका नेम क्या है? Ethyl. This Cl on the reaction with two hydrogen. So what do we get? What we get product? ये आपको सॉल्व करना है बेटा. ठीक है, ये आपको सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है. Now next here we take the पॉइंट नंबर 2 लिए थे बेटा हमने, फ्रॉम द क्या लिखे थे, अल्किल, फ्रॉम द अल्किल हैलाइड, पॉइंट नंबर 2, ठीक है, ओके। इस तरीके से बेटा हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे, इसको पॉइंट नंबर 2 लिया था फ्रॉम अल्किल हैलाइड, ठीक है। अब इसमें ए पॉइंट है इसको, इसी को हम थोड़ा सा मतलब आगे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, इसको ए पॉइंट लेते हैं, ठीक है बेटा, क्लियर। पॉइंट नंबर बी, पॉइंट नंबर बी वी टेक द व्हाट हियर, द बाय यूजिंग द रिएक्टिव मेटल, बाय यूजिंग द reactive metal. It means with the help of a reactive metal, same process from alkyl halide. So with the help of using the reactive metal, how to prepare the alkane, or this reaction is also called as what, the one name of scientist, name reaction of scientist called what, Woods reaction. What? It is also called as the Woods reactions. Woods the name of scientist, Woods reaction, ठीक है बेटा। So how to prepare the alkane from the Woods reaction? So we take the what here. Similarly, when the alkyl halide on reaction with the reactive metal, some reactive metal is called as what here, sodium, clear. Then what here, potassium, all is called as the reactive or active metal, ठीक है। So how to prepare the alkane from the what, by using reactive metal or Woods reaction. ये क्वेश्चन आपको आता है बट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज Woods reaction? It is defined as, so when the alkane react with the active metal like sodium or magnesium, it form the higher member of alkane called as what, Woods reaction. इसमें क्या लिखिए एक्सप्लेनेशन बेटा, when the alkane on react with the active metal like sodium or magnesium, it form the higher member of alkane called as what, Woods reaction. Now how the reaction take place, वो देखना है बेटा, रिएक्शन कैसे प्रिपेयर होती है, ठीक है। So when the what here, so we take the reaction, so when the alkyl halide means CH3Br methyl bromide, second molecule on react with sodium metal, 2 molecules sodium metal plus second molecule of the what here, it means when 2 molecule of a methyl bromide, CH3 is called what here beta, methyl, and the Br called as a bromide. So 2 molecule of methyl bromide, Mb called methyl bromide, on react with a sodium metal, this indicate what, 2Na sodium metal. This reaction especially take place in presence of dry ether, in presence of catalyst what, dry ether. What we get, simple reaction beta. Now this, all these group are lost, means twice NaBr are lost, remaining 2 are joined. So what we get a CH3 single bond, CH3, a loss of 2 NaBr. It is called as preparation of member of alkane called as the how many carbon, 2 carbon called ethane, ठीक है। So when the alkane, sorry, when the methyl bromide on reaction with sodium metal in presence of dry ether to form the ethane, ethane which is the higher member, product के अंदर कार्बन एक है बेटा, इसमें 2 है, in presence dry ether, what we get, it is called as the Woods reaction. So with the help of what, point number B, by using reactive metal, sodium is called as reactive metal, active metal, on what, reaction with what, alkyl halide or what, methyl bromide to form the what, alkane or ethane, ठीक है बेटा। तो पॉइंट नंबर बी क्या था, फ्रॉम अल्किल हैलाइड, इसमें पॉइंट नंबर ए लिया, रिडक्शन ऑफ अल्किल हैलाइड देना, इसको हेडिंग बेटा, यहाँ पे आपको जो ए पॉइंट है उससे क्या हेडिंग देना है आपको, रिडक्शन ऑफ अल्किल हैलाइड, ठीक है। उसमें आपको रिएक्शन ही देखनी है बेटा, ये वाली रिडक्शन मतलब एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन किया, आप रिडक्शन की अल्किल हैलाइड के, तो व्हाट वी गेट, अल्केन। इस पॉइंट नंबर ए। पॉइंट नंबर बी क्या था हमारा, पॉइंट नंबर बी है बाय यूजिंग रिएक्टिव मेटल, यानी अल्किल हाइड के ऊपर आरएक्स के ऊपर या फिर CH3Br पर सोडियम मेटल को रिएक्ट करना है, तो व्हाट वी गेट, इथेन। सो इन दिस वे प्रिपेयर्ड व्हाट, द अल्केन फ्रॉम द व्हाट, अल्किल हैलाइड, क्लियर। पॉइंट नंबर सी, नाउ वी टेक द पॉइंट नंबर सी हियर। सो पॉइंट नंबर सी फ्रॉम what, from alkyl magnesium, from alkyl magnesium halide, from alkyl magnesium halide called as, is also called as a Grignard reagent. What? It is also called as the Grignard reagent. alkyl फॉर्मूला क्या है इसका बेटा, RMGX, R stand for alkyl group here, Mg stand for magnesium, and X stand for what here? Halide. So the alkyl magnesium halide is also called what here? The reagent called is Grignard reagent. ये formula पूछते हैं CD में आपको, which is the formula of Grignard reagent. So RMgX called as the name alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard reagent. So how to prepare the alkane from a Grignard reagent here? So we take, so when the Grignard reagent means RMgX on reaction take place in presence of what here? The water molecule, react with the water molecule in presence of dried thermal, we take here. So alkyl magnesium halide on react with a water molecule in presence of a what? Special catalyst called as dry ether. Clear? So what we get here beta? We get this hydrogen are shifted to this R. So what we get? We get a R single bond what? H plus remaining part what here? MgX here OH. This RH called as a what? Alkane. Now this R replaces the what? CH3 means methyl magnesium, and X replaces what? Any group we take the Br, methyl magnesium bromide react with what here? Water molecule in presence of what? Dry ether. What do we get? Similarly this H shifted to this CH3. So CH3 plus 1 is what we get here? We get a CH4. The CH4 called member of alkane. The remaining part are joined. Mg here Br. Clear? Mg here Br here what? OH. So this is called as the CH4. The CH4 called as the what here beta? Methane. So in this way we prepared what here beta? The alkane from the what? From the alkyl halide. Point number A, reduction of alkyl halide. Second, by using reactive metal on the alkyl halide means methyl bromide. ठीक है बेटा? RMgX from the alkyl magnesium halide or Grignard reagent are replaced by the what? Methyl, because methyl is a member of alkyl. R here X is a halogen or halide, member of halide 4. We take the Br here. ठीक है? इस तरह के एग्जाम्पल आपको सॉल्व करनी है बेटा. ठीक है? इट्स एग्जाम्पल नंबर फर्स्ट, एग्जाम्पल नंबर सेकंड. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर थर्ड आपको सॉल्व कर रहे हैं बेटा. द C2H5, दिस CH3 replace C2H5, here Mg, here Cl, in presence of same HOH, what we get a product. ये आपको सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है? ये होमवर्क है आपको. ये वाली रिएक्शन और ये कौन सी रिएक्शन? ये लास्ट रिएक्शन जो मैंने सॉल्व करवाया है. ठीक है? ये दो रिएक्शन आपको सॉल्व करना है. ये रिएक्शन और ये रिएक्शन आपको सॉल्व करने आपके लिए होमवर्क है. ओके? सो दिस फिनिश द व्हाट? The preparation of a alkane from a different method, industrial as well as preparations. ये अपना फिनिश हुआ. ठीक है? ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.